longer just answering questions. It is planning tasks, using tools, building workflows, automating decisions, and working like a digital teammate. This is the rise of agentic AI. In the last few years, most people learned how to use AI for writing, coding, research, reports, and daily productivity. But now AI is moving from simple prompting to autonomous action. It can connect with tools, follow multi-step instructions, collaborate with other AI agents, and automate real workflows. And that is why agentic AI is becoming one of the most important skills to learn in 2026. So, if you want to stay ahead in your career, here are top 5 agentic AI certification programs by Simplilearn. So, coming at number 1, we have Professional Certificate Program in Agentic AI and Multi-Agent Systems. This program is focused on agentic AI certification courses from AI models to autonomous multi-agent systems. In this program, you will learn to design autonomous AI systems and lead AI-driven innovation, strengthen applied skills through 40 plus demos and 10 plus guided practices, and gain hands-on experience with 7 projects and a capstone. The program duration is 10 weeks and the learning format is live, online and interactive. This program is a strong option for learners who want to understand agentic AI from both a technical and a practical point of view. Instead of learning what AI agents are, you will explore how autonomous AI systems are designed, how multiple agents can work together, and how they support product innovation and enterprise use cases. It also covers concepts like MCP, agent workflows, AI product strategy, multi-agent system, RAG architecture, tool integration, ROI evaluation, and ethics, even transparency. So if your goal is to build a strong foundation in autonomous AI systems, this program can be a powerful choice. Next in the list, we have AI Escalator program. From prompts to agentic workflows, this program helps you go from zero to AI builder in just 8 weeks. In this program, you will ship your own AI apps, agents, and workflows built with popular tools like Claude, N8N, LangChain, Copilot, and much more. The program duration is 8 weeks and the learning format is live, online, and interactive. This course is especially useful for learners who want to move beyond just using AI and start building with AI. Many people today know how to write prompts, but fewer know how to create apps, workflows, automations, and agents that solve the real problem. It builds your confidence through programming logic, AI-assisted coding, prompt engineering, RAG application development, workflow automation, and agentic systems. The biggest advantage is that you finish with portfolio-worthy projects, not just theory. So, if you are a beginner or someone who wants to quickly become comfortable with building AI products, this program is a great starting point. Trust me. Now coming at number 3, we have Applied Agentic AI Systems Design and Impact. This program is designed to help you get ready for the AI native workplace. In this program, you will develop expertise in multi-agent systems, RAG, MCP, and much more. Here you will shape cutting-edge agentic AI products using leading frameworks, gain hands-on experience via 7 course and projects and 1 capstone, and get real-world learning through 40 plus demos and 10 plus guided practices. The program duration is 10 weeks and the learning format is live, online, and interactive. You can also earn a joint program completion certificate from Microsoft and Simplilearn. This program is practitioner-focused, so it is useful for professionals who already understand the importance of AI and now want deeper expertise in agentic orchestration, multi-agent ecosystem, planning, system, RAG, MCP, workflow automation, and AI product strategy. What makes this course interesting is that it connects technical AI skills with product thinking. You are not just learning individual tools. You are learning how to design agentic systems that can support real business workflows, product innovation, automation, and decision making. So now coming at number 4, we have Agentic AI for Leaders. This program features Claude Code and OpenClaw workshops. In this program, you will build expertise in workflow automation, multi-agent systems, and more. You will learn to lead AI innovation and build autonomous systems, strengthen applied skills with 40 plus demos and 10 plus guided practices, and get hands-on experience with 7 course and projects and a capstone project. The program duration is 10 weeks and the learning format is live, online, and interactive. This program is designed for leaders, managers, consultants, and professionals who want to understand agentic AI from a leadership and a business point of view. In companies, AI adoption is not just a technical challenge, it is also a strategy challenge. Leaders need to know what to automate, where to apply agents, how to evaluate ROI, how to manage risk, and how to guide teams toward AI-driven innovation. So, if you want to lead AI projects or manage AI transformation, this program is made just for you. So enroll now and start your leadership journey today. Now coming at number 5, we have the Applied Generative AI Specialization. This program focuses on learn to build with Agentic AI Claude Code. The course helps you learn applied generative AI with hands-on training in Agentic AI, LLMs, and tools like OpenAI, LangChain, and Stable Diffusion. In this program, you can create powerful AI agents, master the skills to design and build AI agents that think, plan, and act autonomously. Here you will experience hands-on learning, learn to build generative AI-enabled applications through industry-relevant hands-on projects. You will also work with modern Gen AI tools like Stable Diffusion, Hugging Face, Azure AI Studio, and other tools. The program duration is 16 weeks and the learning format is live, online, and interactive. This program is a good fit for learners who want a broader applied AI and generative AI learning path. It covers Python, AI literacy, Gen AI principles, LLMs, agentic frameworks, prompt engineering, RAG fine-tuning, AI transparency, fairness, security, and compliance. So, if you want to understand both agentic AI and the wider generative AI ecosystem, this program gives you more complete learning path for building AI-driven solutions responsibly. So, these were the top 5 Agentic AI certification program by Simplilearn. Agentic AI is not just another AI trend. It is a shift from asking AI for answers to building AI systems that can actually take actions. Whether you are a beginner trying to move from prompts to workflows, or a professional looking up to build multi-agent systems, or even a leader planning AI transformation for your organization, Simplilearn has programs designed for every stage of your AI journey. Because the future will not belong to the people who only use AI. It will belong to the people who know how to build with AI, automate with AI, and lead with AI. The course link is given in the description box below. Go check it out and choose the best one according to your learning goals and career path. So, if you like this video and want to discover more such career-focused courses, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So, thanks for watching. Share this video with your friends and I'll see you in the next one.